In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a test call in Teams. Making a quick test call is a simple way to confirm that your microphone and speakers are working before an important meeting. In this walkthrough, we will create a meeting link and join it yourself, so you can check your audio in a real meeting environment. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the chat area. Once you are in chat, look near the top of the Teams interface for the Meet option. Select Meet to open the meeting tools. Next, choose Create a Meeting Link. This is the option that lets you generate a private Meet Now link that you can use immediately. When you select it, Teams will prepare a link for a new meeting session. Now click Create and Copy Link. This does two things at once. It creates the meeting, and it copies the link to your clipboard so you can paste it where you need it. For a test call, you do not need to send it to anyone else. You just need to use it yourself to join the meeting. After the link is created, you will see the meeting details on screen. Click on the highlighted meeting link area. Then click on the highlighted link again. This action opens the meeting link so you can proceed to join. If your browser asks for permission to open Microsoft Teams or to use your microphone, allow those prompts so the test works correctly. Once the meeting page opens, click Join. This takes you to the pre-join screen, where Teams prepares your camera and audio. Take a moment here to confirm that the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If you see audio activity when you speak, that is a good sign your microphone is being detected. Finally, click Join Now to enter the meeting. At this point, you are inside your own meeting session, and you can listen for speaker output and confirm your microphone is working as expected. If audio is not working, return to the device choices on the pre-join screen and select the right input and output before joining again. And that is all there is to it.